day job is designing museums. And museums are all about sort of a cultural definition and helping people to understand who they are and where they come from and therefore where they might go. There are canonical museums that sort of define the official story of X, Y, or Z, say a Smithsonian. There's also museums that try to draw out the specific character of a specific place, and this is really kind of an extension of that, to see what comes out of the stuff of this particular part of the planet and its sort of genetic and biological heritage. The project is called Vox. It's the voice of the land, to see what these grapes have to say. So some years ago, we met Sarah and John, Green Dirt Farms. Obviously, they are philosophically aligned. I mean, we'd heard about the famous dinners that they had for years and years before we could ever sort of find a slot to go up there. And then we did, and by golly,